All right, you got it, Gabby.
I got
I'm gonna start with the 05.
Traded this
Uh-oh.
Miami for Jacksonville. I'll do it.
Miami for Jacksonville. We had a trade, Miami for Jacksonville.
So where is Miami or Jacksonville?
So who's got Miami now? Hoping for a Tannehill, huh? Or Marino?
He's got Miami now.
Oh, you have Miami now. Not a bad trade.
And
Thomas. Who's going to start? Why'd you do that?
Hey, what do you know? They're not on there. Oh, yeah.
Hey, Justin Blackman. Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. And Gabbert in 11. Yeah.
Who'd you trade Miami to?
Who does Tampa Bay have? Anybody?
Doug Martin. Really good one.
Man, you can't be taking advantage of these young
Hey,
kids, man.
he offered. I told him no. But
All right, guys.
He twisted my arm.
Is that everything? 05 sweet spot.
All right, let's do it.
What do you
This is 2005 sweet spot. Looking for Roddy White or Aaron Rodgers. Yeah.
Dan, what are you doing?
I have no idea what's in here, so I've never seen one of these opened.
I think it's like 2 jerseys and
And one auto.
Yeah, I think. Don't be a redemption, please.
Oh, please don't. Michael Clayton.
You behave, man.
Number 2, $6.99. Mike Montgomery for the Packers. Upper Deck extra points, $1,000. Musa Muhammad and Hines Ward. Got a Willie Parker, Chris Harris, Spotlight rookie for the Bears to $8.99. Still Bears. Joey Harrington, wow. And Patrick Ramsey for the. Yeah, I know, right?
Joey Harrington for who?
For the Lions.
Oh, we don't have one.
Cover of NCAA again.
Yep. Larry Fitzgerald. Joe Horn, extra points. Kerry Colbert and Curtis Martin. Curtis, my favorite Martin. Glad Shenard, I wouldn't argue about that. Ooh, something in here. Mike Bell. Oh, no. Dan Orlovsky for the Lions.
Who cares?
As long as he's not in the end zone.
Dan Orlovsky auto for the Lions. Number 2, $6.50.
Is
that
that helmet
you?
signed?
Shenard?
It's a helmet signed.
Drew Brees and the Chargers.
Better than a redemption.
Absolutely.
It is better than the redemption.
Absolutely. Dan Orlovsky, he's still with the Bucks, I think.
That was a helmet.
Helmet auto, yeah. Keyshawn Johnson, Tim Rattay, that's old name. Drew Bennett and Richard Seymour. He was the Patriots. Yeah, we got that one.
What
Is
did
it
you
his
get
rookie?
in that box? One auto or?
I think 1 auto and 2 jerseys, I think, is with the Tatum Bell, Matt Hasselbeck. Ooh, bonus rewards. Randy McMichael and Anquan Bolden. This is an 05 product, so looking for Frank Gore, Aaron Rodgers, Roddy White.
Oh, sorry. We got to pay better attention to this.
Come on, what's wrong?
Someone was trying to trade the Chiefs or the Raiders for the Pats, but
That wouldn't happen
I didn't think so. I'm just saying I should have paid. I need to pay better attention to that. Sorry, guys.
Willie Parker and Adrian
Saints.
McPherson for the Saints. Helmet auto.
You know him?
Never had the Saints.
I remember him. He's not in football.
Adrian McPherson?
Hey, it's a hit.
Yeah, absolutely.
That's right.
Who had the Saints? John?
Don't know.
Saints and the Cowboys.
Saints and the
You
Pats,
know
not bad.
more football than me.
Brian Urlacher, Derek Johnson, rookie, that's nice, to $2.99.
Who do you play for?
The Chiefs.
Is that his rookie?
Woo, Chiefs.
Rookie?
Don't trade him. Chad Johnson and Brandon Lloyd, before Brandon Lloyd was good. Should be one other jersey or something in here, I'm guessing.
Yeah, should be.
It's old packs, I want to open. Chris Chambers, and the jersey is Cedric Faison for the Vikings. Yeah, Vikings. Yeah,
There's a lot of Saints.
not numbered, but
It's a big card.
Jake the Snake Plumber and Chad Pennington.
Only one thick
Couple more packs. Deshaun Foster, Drew Bledsoe, Derek Mason, and Randy Moss for the Oakland Raiders.
Bledsoe was with the
until that
Patriots.
falls, and then I'll be like,
Bledsoe there was the Cowboys.
Move.
Fred Taylor, Peerless Price, Cowboys. Antoine Randall and Ashley Lele, both former Falcons. We overpaid for him. Jeremiah Trotter,
we will in the end. I don't have
rookie.
the cases here for it.
Alex Barron for the Rams to $8.99. And extra points. And another Drew Brees. And David Carr. They killed his career. There's that one.